Okay, so we're on page 72 and we're looking at the example. Every 3 seconds, 4 cubic feet of water pass over a dam. Draw a graph of the situation. Find the unit rate of this proportional relationship. So first they made a table. So 3 seconds would be 4 cubic feet. 6 seconds, 9, 12, 15. They went by 3 because that's what it was doing it every 3 seconds. So then we plot the points. Remember that our time is x and our volume is going to be y. So when we plot it, we have our x and our y points. We were given 5 coordinates right there. 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 12, 16, 15, 20. Draw the graph, and then we're going to look at the slope. So we have a graph drawn for us, and here's our slope. It rose 8, and it ran 6. When that simplified, it's 4/3. They chose just 2 points to look at that. So the unit rate of water passes over the dam, and the slope is 4/3 of a cubic feet per second. So that slope becomes our unit rate because it gives us per 1 second. Okay, so we're looking at your turn on page 72. Thomas rides his bike at a steady rate of 2 miles every 10 minutes. So the first thing it asks us to do is to graph that. So I'm going to make myself a little chart because I think the chart's going to help me a little bit. So I have my miles. My x is going to be actually minutes. And this is going to be distance, which is my y. Okay? So, when I had 10 minutes, I went 2 miles, correct? Okay. So let's look at 5 since it's also here. What would 5 be? 1. So I'm going to plot those 2 points. 5, 1, and 10, 2. It doesn't make a very steep line. It's a very not steep line. That's horrible drawing, connecting those points. But the question asked us to graph the situation, so I did, and find the unit rate. So what I need to do is I need to find my rise over run. So I'm going to take this point and this point, and I rose 1. So my rise was 1. My run was 5. So I can do, what this means is 1/5 miles per minute. You can complete 1/5 of a mile per minute. So the first thing is to find your rise over run and then be able to tag on our units with it.